Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 4 on piano. To begin, familiarize yourself with fundamental piano concepts like note names and basic rhythm. Fallout 4's soundtrack features several memorable themes, and recognizing these will greatly assist your learning process. We will focus on breaking down these pieces into manageable sections. Starting with simpler melodies will build your confidence and technique before moving to more intricate arrangements. This approach ensures a smooth and enjoyable learning experience for everyone. Finding the right resources is crucial for learning. Many websites offer sheet music for Fallout 4, some free and others for a small fee. Prioritize simplified arrangements if you are just starting out, as these will be much easier to tackle. YouTube is an excellent resource, providing numerous tutorials that visually demonstrate how to play specific sections, often with on-screen notation. These visual aids can significantly enhance your understanding and practice sessions. Mastering a few key techniques will greatly improve your playing. Always maintain proper hand positioning, keeping your fingers curved and wrists relaxed to prevent strain. When learning a new piece, prioritize playing slowly and accurately. Speed will naturally follow with consistent practice. Incorporating a metronome into your routine is essential for developing a steady rhythm and precise timing, helping you stay in sync with the music. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of progress. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day to build muscle memory and reinforce learning. When faced with longer or more challenging pieces, break them down into smaller, manageable sections, mastering each part before combining them. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insight, allowing you to objectively identify areas where you can improve your technique and musicality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.